Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ted. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you guys, this is awesome. Thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for getting ordered.
Yeah.
Hey, Ted. We got you something special, bud.
Oh. You guys are naughty. I wonder what's in there. Oh, let's see what's in it. Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey, what's going on? Royally! Hey! Wasn't expecting you. I was, well, what were you expecting? No, I was just expecting... What? No, I was just expecting, you know what, just do the ad. Alright. Come on down to the Eastern Palace Club for our Filmmaker Community Mixer on June 11th. And make sure to give yourself the gift of Filmmaker Connections.